Yeah, another trade. So I was losing. Again, I was losing. The market was going against my trade. As you can see, I reached minus $400. I was trading Ethereum using my own trading strategy. That's why, guys, I tell you that my strategy is one of the best trading strategies ever. By the way, those interested in learning my strategy, the link is in the description or in bio, or go directly to learnthestrategy.com/free. So as you can see, and after few minutes, the market started creating that small downtrend that I was expecting. Ethereum was at $4,180. I opened the trade, the short position. The entry price was at $4,184, and then it started going upside, going a little bit up and a little bit down, and at the end you will see that my prediction was right, and then the markets created that clear downtrend that I was expecting. I even entered earlier. I should have waited a little bit, but no. When my strategy tells me to enter now, I enter now. That's what called discipline. This is exactly what discipline made for. So you should respect the strategy, respect the rules, and at the end, so you see, even we went back up, and we went back at minus $300 PNL. See, and then down again. So the market is creating this up and down. Look, 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 going up back, even though Bollinger Bands and Parabolic SAR and RSI all telling me that yeah, there will be a long downtrend. So $400. I guess I will close this trade. Yeah, I will end this trade at around $1,000. Yeah, once we reach $1,000, this trade will be closed. This took me around 20 minutes. Yeah, around 20 minutes. The full session. So trading Binance, Ethereum futures with 150x leverage. The margin was $1,900 as usual, and yeah, the size was around 285,000 USDT. So see now the market started going down as I expected. Here, this is the downtrend that I was waiting for, and I guess we reached $1,000 around this time, 12 a.m. Yeah, so